Yeah, so good evening everyone. Good evening. This is the place where we stopped yesterday. Check once. This is the place where we stopped yesterday. Just 1 minute. Yeah, fine. Sorry for inconvenience. Let's go ahead. Yeah, this is the place where we stopped in the last class. Right? Am I right? Please check. This is the place where we stopped in the last class. Right? Some big wind is coming, so that is the reason I stopped it. This is the place where we stopped. Right? Let's move to next problem. Let's move to next problem. Right? Let's move to next problem. Let me start. I'm writing the next problem. I hope everyone is perfect till now. So I'm writing the first problem of today's class. I'm writing first problem of today's class. Let me write it. Careful everyone. Yesterday how many problems we done? So I'm continuing further. I written the note also. Yesterday I written the note also. I don't know. Let's see. Yesterday I written the note also. Can you see the note? Can you see the note? Somewhere I written the note also. I will show to you. I will show to you. Subnet. Somewhere I written the note. If I didn't written, I will write now. There's nothing in that. So I yesterday I written the one note. Yeah. So see the note. See the note. Everyone see the note. This is the note which I written yesterday. This is the note which I written yesterday. See this one. If you perform bitwise AND operation between IP and subnet mask, then you will get subnet ID. If you perform bitwise AND operation between IP and subnet mask, then you will get the subnet ID. Then you will get the subnet ID. That is the problem. Right? So that is a note. Please take care. That is a note. If you perform bitwise AND operation between IP and subnet mask, then you will get the subnet ID. Okay, fine. This is the place where we stopped. I written the note also. Now let's start the today's class. Let's start the today's class. Let's start the today's class. It is the first one. Let me write. Let me write the date and everything. I think it's around 22, 5, 25. 22, 5, 25. Right? See the problem. If you perform AND operation between IP and subnet mask, you will get the subnet ID. That note you remember, that will be useful many times. Next one, can you see this? See everyone now. IP1 given as 201, IP1 given as 201, 15, 16, 89. That is IP1. IP2 given as 201, 15, 16, 99. That is the IP2. IP3 given as IP3 given as 201, 15, 16, 109. IP4 given as let me write IP4 given as, I think 3 IPs only. I think so, 3 IPs. I think 3 IPs. Sorry for that. 3 IPs. 3 IPs are given and subnet mask is given as 255, 255, 255, 240. Subnet mask is given as 255, 255, 255, 240. That is the subnet mask given. Now he is asking, out of these 3 IPs, which IPs are belongs to same network? Out of these 3 IPs, which IPs are belongs to same network? Let me write now. Find, I am writing here, find those IPs, which are on same network. This is the most expected question. It is the most expected question. Find those IPs which are on same network. Find those IPs which are on same network. It is the most expected question. Please try to understand, everyone. It is the most expected question. You will see this particular question in the exam also. You will see this question. Please try to understand. In the exam, you will see this kind of questions. It's a very, very important one. Every year I am seeing this question. Every year I am seeing. Some IPs are given and subnet mask also given. With respect to that subnet mask, which IPs are belongs to same network? See the answer. Everyone. See the answer. This is the most expected question in the examination. Can you see the answer? Everyone try to see this. I am checking IP1 and subnet mask. Understand first. What I am going to do now, understand first. So 201, 15, 16, 89. Take the subnet mask also. 255, 255, 255, 240. Right? 240. See, very interesting one. Now you know very well. You have to do end operation. IP1 subnet mask do end operation, bitwise end. But you know very well. All once end operation anything. Answer is anything. All once end operation anything. Answer is anything. Everyone know this. Everyone know. Can you help me now? This is all once end operation with anything. You will get anything. Okay. This is all once end operation anything. You will get anything. That is also okay. This is all once end operation anything. You will get anything. That is also okay. But here see this one. This is not all once. So this is not all one. So you have to convert into necessary place only convert into binary format. Don't convert every time in the binary format. You also know how to convert. I also know. But the time consuming. Necessary place only, please do conversion. Don't do conversion every time. So 240, 89. 240 and 89. So I think they are not all ones. So you have to convert into binary format. Let me convert into binary format. 240, I think 4 ones, 4 zeros. 89, let me write the 89. 0, 64. 64 plus 25. 24. Sorry, 25. So 60, right? I think 128, 64. 32 not required. 32 not required. Next one is, I think, right, 16 required. Plus 9. 9. 1001. Please take care. Just converting 89 into binary format. Please check if I done anything wrong. 64 plus, right? 64 plus 16 plus 9. 9 plus 6 is going to be 15. I think 19, which is going to be 89. Yeah. So necessary place only convert into binary format. Yes, I done. Afterwards, do end operation bitwise. Bitwise do end operation. Bitwise do end operation. I think if you observe 0, I think it's going to be 0. Next one is 1. Next one is 0. Next one is 1, followed by 4 zeros. So if you observe clearly, this is 64. This is 25. 64, 25. How much? Check once. 64 plus 16. 64 plus 16. How much it is? Which is going to be 10. I think 90. 64 plus 16. 80. I think this is 80. Please verify. Please verify. This may be 80. If I done anything wrong, please check. Just to do end operation. Necessary place only do end operation. Remaining all normal. All ones end operation, anything. Right? 255 means all ones. 255 means all ones. All ones end operation, anything. Right? All ones. Sorry. All ones end operation, anything. All ones end operation, anything. All ones end operation, anything. Next one. But if you see the fourth octet, in the fourth octet, not all ones. So we have to do clearly. So I done. There may be a chance that I done little bit wrong. Please verify. At the end of the day, right, you have to convert into last octet, right, decimal to binary. Both the 89 also, 240 also, just convert into decimal to binary, do end operation. So first bit 0, 1, which is nothing but 0. Second bit 1, 1, so 1. Third bit is 0, 1, so 0. Fourth bit is 1, 1, so 1. Remaining all will be zeros. So 64 plus 16, which is going to be 80. So I done IP1 and subnet mask end operation. So remember, whatever will come, it is a subnet ID. Whatever came, it is a subnet ID. Everyone try to understand. Whatever came, it is a subnet ID. Okay. So your IP belongs to this subnet ID. Your IP belongs to this subnet ID. Let's go. I have 3 subnets. Sorry, I have 3 IPs. Let's go to IP2 and subnet mask. IP2, if you observe, 201, 15, 16, 99. If you see the subnet mask, 255, 255, 255, and the subnet mask is 240. If you do end operation, so all ones end operation, anything is anything. All ones end operation, anything is anything. All ones end operation, anything is anything. Until now, fine. But all ones not there. All ones not there. Convert into binary. I think because of luckily subnet mask is same, so I can say same thing I can use. 4 ones followed by 4 zeros. Then what about 99? 99 can be written as let me write now 64 plus 32, which is going to be 96. Plus 3, 99. So it's a 9, 4, 4 to 6, 6 plus 3, 9. So 9, 99. So let me write now. So I think 64, 32, and 3. Do end operation properly. Do end operation properly. Do end operation properly. If you do end operation properly, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, third one also 1, fourth one is 0, remaining is zeros. Okay, that is okay, perfect. Now what is this value? It is a 96. It is a 96. So remember, second IP belongs to, right, this particular subnet. It is a subnet ID. Second IP belongs to this subnet ID. Means this subnet. First IP belongs to this subnet. Now let's go to third IP also. Please careful. Third IP also. Please be careful. It's very, very interesting. 201, third IP I am writing. IP3, subnet mask, 201, 15, 16, 19. Sorry, 109. Third one is 109. So if you see the subnet mask 255, 255, 255, so 240. If you do the end operation, this is the 255, sorry, it is the 201, no change. It is the 201, no change. It is the 15, no change. It is the 16, no change. Now can you help me? Right? Here all ones not there. All ones end operation, anything is anything, but it is not all ones. Right? You have to convert into binary format. Convert into binary format. Let me convert. This is, I think, 4 ones, 4 zeros. And one more thing is, let's check here. 64, I'm writing here. 64, 32, it is a 96. It is a 96, but I want 109. I want 109. 96 over. 96 over. If you want 109, how much required? 13 required. 13. I think I have to write 13. So 12, no, closest powers of 2. I think it is going to be 8. It is going to be 4, 12, lastly 1, 13. Check once if anything wrong. So 6 plus 8, 14 plus 4, 18 plus 1, 9, 19. Afterwards 10. Same. Let me check here. So 64, okay, 32, okay, right? Next one is, I think, 16, no, 8, okay, right? Next one is 4, that is also okay. Next one is, I think, 0, 1. Verify properly, right? So it is the 2 cube. Third bit is 1. It is the 2 square. Second bit is 1. It is the 2 power 0. 0th bit is 1. It is the 2 power 5. Fifth bit is 1. It is the 2 power 6. Sixth bit 1. Sixth bit is 1. Fifth bit is 1. Third bit is 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Second bit also 1. First bit at 0th bit also 1. Yeah, perfect. Everything perfect. Now do end operation. Just converting into binary and doing end operation. There is nothing in that. So it is a 0. Second one is 1, I think so. Third one is 1, okay. Fourth one is 0. Remaining all will be zeros. If you observe clearly, this is 96. I think over. See this one. First IP belongs to this subnet ID. This subnet. Second IP belongs to this subnet ID. Third IP belongs to this subnet ID. If you observe clearly, second one, third one belongs to same subnet ID. These two are belongs to same. So final one is IP2 and IP3 belong to IP3. IP2 and IP3. IP2 and IP3 belongs to same network. Same subnet ID means what? Same network. Same subnet. Because subnet ID same. IP2, IP3, right? On the same subnet. IP2, IP3 on same subnet. Because subnet IDs are same. How you get a subnet ID? Do end operation with the subnet mask. You will get the subnet ID. IP2, IP3, right? Both are belongs to same subnet. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. It is the most expected question in the GATE exam. You will get some more clarity. Further classes are going on. You will get more clarity. As of now, what can I say is, if you have a IP, if you have a subnet mask, if you do end operation, you will get the subnet ID. Now the next question what they will give is, some IPs are given, one subnet mask also given. With respect to given subnet mask, which IPs are belongs to same network or same subnet. I done IP1 subnet mask, I got one subnet ID. IP2 subnet mask, I got one subnet ID. IP3 subnet mask, I got one more subnet ID. If I observe clearly, IP2, IP3 both are contain same subnet ID. Means they both are belongs to same subnet. IP2, IP3 belongs to same subnet. It is the most expected question. I hope everyone got it. It is the most expected question. See, I written so many stars also. It is the most expected question in the exam. Let me know anyone having any objection. Let me know if anyone having any objection. Durgesh saying hi, sir, after a long time in your live class. Thank you, Durgesh. Thank you so much. Let me know if anyone having any objection. Little doubt also there, let me know. Little doubt also. These problems are, I have this doubt. It's the most expected question. It's the most expected question. Just this note is very, very important. Subnet mask, IP and operation. Subnet ID you will get. That is a very, very important point. Right? Subnet mask and IP end operation. You will get the subnet ID. Now, if you observe clearly, IP1 subnet mask, one subnet ID came, IP2 subnet mask, one more subnet ID came, IP3 subnet mask, one more subnet ID came. But if you observe IP2, IP3, they both are having the same subnet ID, means they both belongs to same subnet. So IP2, IP3 are the same subnet. If you observe, if you okay, I can proceed to the next one. Let me know. If you okay, I can proceed to the next one. Can I move? Can I move to next? Bro, can I move to next? Check once, everyone. Can I move to next? Everyone should respond. Everyone should respond. Bro, everyone should respond. Shikar, can I move to next? Durgesh, can I move to next? Can I move to next? Yeah, let's move to next. No one having any doubt? No one having any doubt? Let's move to next. Let's move to next. Yeah, if anyone is not taken, remember 70% discount going on. 70% discount going on, you can utilize. You can use code EPT 595 ARG. And one more thing I want to say to you, July onwards, no new batch. No new batch from July. No new batch from July. If anyone want to start GATE preparation, please start now. If you want to start GATE preparation, please start now. Please start from today. This is the code you can use, 70% discount you will get. These are our toppers. These are our toppers. These are our toppers. If you also want to be a topper, so please join this. You can go for a 1 year course. Regular course is 1 year. Foundation course is 2 years. Crash course is 6 months. Rank improvement course is practice, right? It is a practice course. 5,000 video solutions will be available. 5,000 problems video solution. 5,000 good problems video solution. 5,000 good problems video solution. Next one-to-one mentorship also. Doubt is there, you can take members, you can take the mentorship, you can ask the doubt. If you have small doubt also there, you can take one-to-one mentorship, you can ask the doubt. Next one, test series, right? There is a test series also, EPT test series. It is so famous because last year 59 questions came from all the sets, right? If you are not taken test series till now, please go ahead. Please start the test series from now onwards. Don't cry at the end. Don't cry at the end. Start the test series from now onwards. Use the code EPT 595 ARG. You will get the discount. Yeah, let's move to next one. So test series is already launched, 50 plus tests. 50 tests are already live. Remaining tests will come in further months. Remaining tests will come. Now come here. Next problem. Next problem is very, very important. Please careful. Next problem is very, very important. Please careful, everyone. It's a very, very important next problem. So let me write. Let me write now. Next problem. Next problem. DBA of subnet is given as DBA of subnet is given as 201 14 16 31. DBA of subnet is given as 201 14 16 31. Then Which of the following can be possible? Which of the following can be possible? Can be possible subnet mask. It is a very important question. It is a very important question. DBA of subnet is given as 201 14 16 31. Then which one of the following can be possible subnet mask? Possible subnet mask. Option A given 255 192. Option B given as 255 240. Option C given as 255. It's a very nice problem. Let's see how many people will give answer. 255 248. Option D given as none. DBA of subnet is given as 201 14 16 31. Then which one of the following can be possible subnet mask? 4 options are given. Can you try this? It is a very interesting problem. It's a very interesting problem. Can you try this? Try properly, everyone. DBA of subnet is given as 201 14 16 31. Then which one of the following can be possible subnet mask? DBA of subnet is given as 201 14 16 31. Then which one of the following can be possible subnet mask? Can anyone give answer? Can anyone give answer? Can anyone give answer? Can anyone? It is a very interesting problem. Can anyone? First, what you do is don't think much. Write in the binary format. Whatever is fun. It is a DBA. DBA of a subnet is given as. Remember, it is a DBA. DBA of a subnet is given as. It is a DBA. Remember, it is not subnet mask. DBA of subnet mask given as. Let's check. Everyone try to understand. It is the 201. It is the 14. It is the 16. 31. Understand, everyone. It is the DBA of a subnet is given like this. And one more thing is, by seeing the IP, I can say it is a class C. This is C class or class C class. This IP belongs to, even though it is a DBA, right? Even though it is a DBA, this IP belongs to C class. You only say C class means network purpose, right? 24 bits. In the C class, network purpose 24 bits, host purpose these many, host purpose 8 bits, network purpose 24, right? Host purpose 8 bits. So let me write here. So host part, let me write. Network part, okay. Host part, let me write. Can you see everyone? Right? So it is the 201 14 16. Listen. So 201 14 16, and one more thing, very interesting one. 31, let me write. 31 means 5 ones. 31 means 5 ones. But one important question I want to ask you, see this one. Subnetting also done. This is belongs to network, okay. This is belongs to network, which is the 24 bits, okay. Because of he said subnet, subnetting also done. Remember, this is going to be right. Subnet area also, subnet and host. This is belongs to subnet also, host also, because he done the subnetting also. He done the subnetting also. So this 8 bits contain subnet also. This 8 bit contains subnet also and host also. Two parts are there. In these 8 bits, so right, subnet also there, host also there. But I don't know until which part subnet. I don't know until which part host. Can anyone give answer to me until which part subnet is there, until which part host is there? Can anyone give answer? Host area will be divided into two parts. Host area will be divided into two parts. Subnet part and host part. But until which part subnet, until which part host, I want to know. Can anyone guess? Given IP is a DBA. Given IP is one subnet DBA. When you say one subnet DBA, subnetting already done. It is a class C, means 24/8. Host part is 8 bits. But subnetting done. Host part will be divided into two parts. Subnetting already done. Host part will be divided into two parts. What is that one? Subnet and host. But the problem here is, out of these 8 bits, until which place subnet, until which place right host, we don't know. Subnet and host, totally 8 bits. How to divide, I don't know, because nowhere he mentioned subnet purpose how many bits. Nowhere he mentioned. Host purpose 8 bits, okay, because of subnetting division is done. Subnetting and host. But in that, how many bits belongs to subnet, how many bits belongs to host, I don't know. Remember, it's a DBA. DBA means host part all once. So I think now this is the case. Now listen. Now this is the case. We don't know how many bits. Let's see this one. 000 ones. 000 ones. Out of these 8 people, how many people belongs to subnet? How many people belongs to host? We don't know. DBA means what? Host part all once. Maybe only this part is host. In the DBA, host part all once. Maybe this part is right. Remember, this part is going to be host part, right? Host part is all once because of DBA. This may be host. Remaining maybe right, subnet. Or maybe this is the host. First 2 bits may be host. First 3 bits may be host. First 4 bits may be host. First 5 bits may be host. Because he is nowhere mentioned. But remember, first 6 bits cannot be. First 6 bits cannot be host. What is the reason? In the DBA, host part is all once. In the DBA, host part is all once. So if you take the 6th bit also part of the host too, because of DBA, 6th bit also should be 1. So 6th bit not 1. So that means it is not a part of the host. So part of the host will be maybe 5 bits, maybe 4 bits, maybe 5 bits, maybe 4 bits, maybe 3 bits, maybe 2 bits. Right? So I think now my question, what I want to say is subnet purpose maybe 3 people, maybe 4 people. Subnet purpose maybe 5 people, maybe 6 people. Yeah, that's it. Maybe 7 not possible. What is the reason? Maybe 7 not possible. If at all, 7 also part of the subnet only. 7 bits, only 1 bit for host. With 1 bit host means 2 power 1 host minus 2 means 0 host possible. That is the reason. Subnet purpose, the possibilities are maybe 3 bits, maybe 4 bits, maybe 5 bits, maybe 6 bits. Right? 7 not possible. 7 not, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, maybe 6. Now come here, I think problem is over. He is asking subnet mask. What is the meaning of subnet mask? Everyone know? What you only say, what is the meaning of subnet mask? Subnet mask means network part and the subnet part ones. Suppose if 3 bits are ones, listen, if 3 bits belongs to subnet, then what the answer is? First 3 bytes anyhow, because of subnet mask, right? Network area all ones. That is okay. But if you see the 3 bits in the last start state, first 3 people are ones, which is going to be I think 128, 64, 32, which is going to be 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 10, I think 12, 224. So 224 is one subnet mask. If at all 3 bits are subnet purpose, 224. If at all 4 bits belongs to subnet mask, 4 bits, I think 4 ones, which is going to be 240. If at all 5 bits, let me write now, 248. If at all 6 bits, 255, 255, 6 bits. 6 bits means what? I think 252. Because 2 bits only left. These are the possibilities. Can you check one time? DBA of a subnet is given as 201, 14, 16, 31. Then which one of the following can be possible subnet mask? By seeing the IP, I can say the class C. When you say class C, 24 for network, 8 for host. But remember, subnetting also done. Host will be divided into 2 parts, subnet and host. But I'm not clear until which part is subnet, until which part is host. But remember, it is a DBA. DBA means what? Host part all ones. This may be host. This may be host. This may be host. This may be host. Maybe. Host part all ones. Host part all ones. But who knows? Few ones maybe belongs to subnet also. So subnet purpose may be 3 bits, maybe 4 bits, maybe 5 bits, maybe 6 bits. If at all 3 bits, in the last start date, subnet mask, which is going to be 224. If at all 4, 240. If at all 5, 248. If at all 6, 252. Last start date. So in the available option, I think this is not possible, right? This will be possible. 240 possible, 248 possible. Let me know if anyone having any objection. Very less people can get it. Let me check if anyone having any objection. The only dilemma in this problem is we don't know how many bits for subnet. The only question here is we don't know how many bits for subnet. Really, how many bits for subnet? We don't know. How many bits for subnet. You may be having doubt. You ask me, I will help. You may be having doubt. You ask me, I will help. Everyone can try. Everyone can try. Everyone can try. Everyone can try. Bro, please try. Bro, please try. Anyone having any objection? This problem troubled me initial days, so it will trouble you also. If it is troubling you, please let me know. This problem troubled me when I am doing initial days. If it is troubling you also, let me know. Sir, host part maximum how many bits? Host part maximum 2 bits. Minimum 2, na? If only 1 bit is there, the possible number of hosts are 2 power 1 minus 2. 0 host, what is the use? Minimum 2 bits. So that 2 square minus 2, minimum 2 host will be there. Host purpose minimum 2 bits. If 1 bit, na, number of hosts are 2 power 1 minus 2, means 0. We don't know in this problem. The only thing is I am writing. Those people who are not getting, you can highlight this also. Those people who are not getting, you can highlight this also. In this problem, the problem is number of bits for subnet we don't know. Number of bits for subnet don't know. That is the issue. Don't know. Number of bits for subnet don't know. This is the issue. If anyone is not getting, if anyone is not getting, understand, this is the point. If anyone is not getting, this is the major point here. Number of bits for subnet don't know. Number of bits for subnet don't know. Number of bits for subnet don't know. Fine, can we go ahead? Bro, can we go ahead? DBA of a subnet is given as 201, 14, 16, 31. Then which one of the following can be possible subnet mask? The only dilemma here, number of bits for subnet we don't know. When you don't know number of bits for subnet, you don't know number of bits for host also. So there is a dilemma. Because of that dilemma, many answers will come. Because of that dilemma, many answers will come. You are perfect. Let's move to next problem. Let's move to next problem. Next problem you can take. Let's move to next problem. Everyone can check this. Let's move to the next problem. I think you are perfect. I think this problem also interesting. Let's check. If DBA of a subnet is, say, similar kind of problem I'm giving. Let's check how many people will give. 168, 17, 7, 255. If DBA of a subnet is 168, 17, 7, 255, then possible subnet mask is, if DBA of a subnet is 168, 17, 7, 255, then possible subnet mask is, option A, 255, 255, 248, 0. Option B, 255, 255, 255, 252. Option C, 255, 255, 254, 0. Option D, 255, 255, 252, 0. Can you go ahead? Similar kind of problem. Let's see how many people will give. If DBA of a subnet is given as 168, 17, 7, 255, then possible subnet mask is. Everyone can try this. Everyone can try this. Everyone can try this. Let's see how many people will give. Yeah, what is the answer? Everyone give response. What will be the answer for this? If DBA of a subnet is 168.17.7.255, then possible subnet mask is. Yeah, let's see one by one. Similar kind of problem. Similar kind of problem. Let's check here. Similar kind of problem. Remember, it is a class B. See this one, class B, B class. It is a B class. B class means 16 plus 16. Network plus host. Because of it, the subnetting. So this will be divided further. Subnet and host. Subnet and host. But remember the 16-bit subnet and host. Let's concentrate last 16. Let's concentrate last 16 people. This is going to be 168.17. This is okay. This area okay. Can you see the second area? 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 255. Remember it is the DBA. Remember it is the DBA. Remember it is the DBA. DBA means host part all ones. DBA means host part all ones. But the problem here is DBA means host part all ones okay. But total 16 bits are there. Total 16 bits are there. All these 16 belongs to host or not, I don't know. Maybe some bits are belongs to subnet also. Right? Because of it, the DBA host bits are all ones. Okay. But until which place host? How I know? Nowhere is mentioned. So let me write now. Don't know. See this problem. Don't know. Number of bits needed. Number of bits present in. Number of bits present in subnet part. In subnet part. That is the interesting story. Don't know number of bits present in subnet part. Don't know number of bits present in subnet part. That is the issue. Don't know number of bits present in subnet part. Okay. We don't know. So now the possibilities are. Can you help me now? 2 bits maybe belongs to subnet. If 2 bits belongs to host, these all will belongs to subnet. Maybe 3 belongs to host. Remaining may be subnet. Maybe 4 belongs to host. Remaining will be for host. So anything can happen. Anything can happen. Remember, anything can happen. 2 bits may be host. Remaining all 14. Right? So the possibilities are there. Subnet and host. See the answer. Subnet and host. The possibilities are like this one. 14. Right? 14 2. 13 3. 12 4. Continue. Until what? Remember, these cannot be part of the host. If these are part of the host, how it is the DBA? So minimum subnet part is going to be 5. Minimum 5, right? Whenever it is a 5, it is 11. So remember, these 5 cannot be part of the host. If these are part of the host, because of it is a DBA, host part all once required. So there is no chance. So minimum subnet part is 5, host part is 11, and so on. Maximum subnet part 14. So right, host part is 2. These are the possibilities. Now check one by one. Suppose subnet part is right. Subnet part is 14 people. In the mask, subnet part all ones will be there. I think what is the answer? Already network part is all ones. If the subnet part is 14 people, third octet also all ones. Because in the case of the subnet mask, network part also all ones, subnet part also all ones. Right? So this one I am writing. So 255, because of it, the network part all ones, subnet part also all ones. 255, I think it's a 14. 14 means I think 8. Remaining 6 is this side. 6 people are ones, means 252. 6 people are ones, 252. Last 2 people are zeros because it is a mass. So this is the one of the answer. Okay. One more thing. This is also can be correct. So it is a 255, 255. It is a 255. So I think 5 bits, right? Not 6 bits, 5 bits. 5 bits means, I think 5 bits means 7 remove. 7 remove. From the 255, if you remove 7, what is the answer? 255, remove 7 people. So 15, 7, I think 8. So 248. 248 also correct. So I think this cannot be. This cannot be. Okay, we'll see that also. We'll see that also. Right? Now, some people are asking, what about the last area, sir? Can you see, Reddy sir, can you see the last area? Is the last area possible? Is the last area possible? Third octet. Third octet, 5 people are ones. Third octet, 5 people are ones means 248. So remaining this, I think this is possible. So for this, I am writing here 255, 255, it is the 248, it is a 0. Because 5 people only once, remaining all zeros. That is possible. So what about 254? Let's check here. It is the 6, it is the 12. 6, 12, let's see. If at all 6, 255, 255, 6 people, na? I think except last 2, I think 252, it is a 0. So this is also possible. This is also possible. Some people are asking, what about this one, sir? 6, right? 5, 6, it is a 7. 7 and 11. 7 and 16, na? So 5, 11, it is a 6, 6, I think. 6 plus, how much it is? I think 12. 18, not 18, we want 16, na? 6 plus 10. It is a 7 plus 9. Sorry for the 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9. Let's check here. 7 people once means 255. 255. Some people are asking, sir, is it possible? Let's check. Is it possible? Let's check. 254 means what is the meaning? Like this. So 7 people. 7 people are ones. 7 people are ones. Remaining 0. I think all possible. Verify if I done anything wrong. Verify if I done anything wrong. Check once if I done anything wrong. Maybe in the flow I may be done wrong. The only dilemma here, we don't know how many bits for subnet. How many bits for host we don't know. So minimum is 5. Minimum 5. 5 and 11. This one. 248. Next one. 6 and 12. This one. Right? I think 252. Next one. So 248. 13. $252, $255, I think that is fine. This is the B option. What about 13? Bro, what is the 13? 13 means how much? 13 means 128. 13 means what? I think this side, that side 3 will be there. 13 means that side 3 will be there. So I think if you observe clearly, 13, 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. 5 people. 5 people means how much? 248. 255, 248. I think, is there any option like this? 255, 248. So this is possible anyhow because of this reason. This is A option. 6 subnet, 6 and 10. If 610, right? I think 252, 255, 255, 252, 0. Which one it is? I think D. It is a D. A, B, D. What about C? C possible or not? Let's check. C possible or not? C means what? C means in the subnet area 7 people. Subnet area 7 people. Host area, right? 8 plus 1, 9 people. So I think this is also possible. 7 people. 7 plus 9. 255, 255, 254, 0. This is for C option. Check properly. Many possibilities are there. Nothing here. Many possibilities are there. Answer is A, B, C, D. Answer is A, B, C, D. I given very clear explanation. See, this is option B. 255, 255, 255, 248. Where? Yeah, it's not there in the options, not there. It's okay. Right? This is option A. This is option D. This is option C. Maybe I may be wrong also because if I done the more calculations are there, I may be done wrong also. Please verify. Shikhar, if it is okay, I can move to the next problem. Shikhar, if it is okay, I can move to the next problem. It's a very, very interesting problem. It's a very, very interesting problem because answers are all. It is a MSQ. It is a MSQ. Answers are all. It is a MSQ. If you are okay with this, most of the things you are okay. If you are okay with this, most of the things you are okay. Can we go ahead? If you are okay, most of the things are you are okay. Can we go ahead? Yeah, let's go to next problem. Let's go to next problem. I think almost everyone fine. It's a very, very interesting problem. It's a very, very interesting problem. Similar kind of problem, one more I am giving. Similar kind of problem, one more I am giving. Can you check? Similar kind of problem, one more I am giving. Can you check here? Can you check here? Similar kind of problem. Let's see. Let's see how many people will give answer. If DBA of subnet is given as 200, 200, 200, sorry, 205, 31. Then possible subnet mask. Then possible subnet mask. Option A, 255, 255, 255, 192. Option B, 255, 255, 255, 248. Option C, 255, 255, 255, 240. Option D, 255. Yeah. Try this also. Can you go ahead? What is the answer? Complete the answer. So let me know what is the answer. Shikhar, let's try what is the answer for this. Let's try what is the answer for this. If dBA of subnet is given as 200, 200, 205, 31, then possible subnet mask is again same story. Again same story. This belongs to class C, C class, which is going to be network and host. Network is 24, host is 8. Because of subnetting, two parts, subnet and host. We don't know how to divide. Let's see that. So last octet we have to discuss. We have to discuss the last octet. So this is the network area. This is the network area. This is the network area. So definitely mask is 255. This is the network area. Mask is 255. So answer already confirmed. 3 255s required. 3 255s. 3 255s. Yeah. The only thing is, what about subnet? What about host? Right? Let's write the last number. Let's write the last number 31. Let's write the last number 31. 31 can be written as like this. 31 can be written as like this. So the possibilities are minimum 2, right? Minimum 2. So host subnet area is minimum 3. So 3 5 is one possibility. 4 4 is another possibility. So 5 3 is another possibility. 6 2 is another possibility. If at all 3, 224. If at all 3, 224, 128, right? 64, 32, which is going to be 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 10, right? It is a 10 to 224. So for this 224, which is going to be option B. For this, I think 240, 240, option C. For this 248, option B. For this, what is the answer? I think last two people are gone. It is the 252. It is the 252. So 192 not possible. So A not possible. So these are. Yeah, B, C, D. Answer is B, C, D. It's a very nice question. Answer is B, C, D. Answer is B, C, D. It's a very nice question. Right? I hope everyone is fine. I hope everyone is fine. So if anyone is not joined till now, you can go for 1 year course or 2 year or 6 months or a practice course or rank improvement, mentorship course you can go, test series you can go. And one more thing is 70% offer going on, you can utilize. And if you are preparing for placements, let me show this also. If you are preparing for placement in the India level best course is going on for placements, DSA plus system design course, right? This also 70% is going on, please utilize. It is the best course. Me and some more Mang developers combinedly doing this course. So course followed by 500 practice problems. We are going to explain to you. It's really going to be useful. If you are trying for PSU, this course is better. GATE CSE plus a top PSU course. It will be better for PSU people. If you are preparing for GATE for placement, this course is better. If you are preparing for web development, this course is better. Full stack web development with DSA. This course is better for as a development course also and DSA also. Thank you. See you in the next class. Shikhar, see you in the next class. Next one is Durge. See you in the next class. Right? Thank you so much. Right? So see you in the next class. Thank you. Thank you, Shikhar. Thanks, everyone. Thanks.